Lagori, a traditional sport, is also included as a demonstration sport in this edition of National Games for the very first time. Also called as Pittu in North India, the sport was included looking at its pan-India popularity. Here's a special report by DD India correspondent Suchitra Bharadwaj. Let's take a look.
Lagori has been included as a demonstration sport in the National Games for the first time. Lagori, or Seven Stones, is an outdoor game popular among the teenagers across the country. It is known by different names as Pittu in North India, Satolia in Gujarat, Yedu Pankalota in Andhra Pradesh, Edu Kallu in Tamil Nadu and Eripantu in Kerala. It was included in National Games looking at its pan-India popularity.
First of all, it's congratulations to the entire team of Lagori Federation that they have brought this sport to this platform. There was a request by the Honorable Sports Minister of Government of Goa to include this as a demonstrative sport, and we took a call and we said, why not? It is a sport which is deep-rooted with our culture. It is a sport which is very popular in the Western Ghats. Entire Maharashtra, Konkan belt, Goa belt plays it. So the idea of adding sports which are deep-rooted with our culture, diaspora, and also having a demonstrative sport like Lagori, I think it will give them a big lead, and let's hope, wishing them all the very best that this sport goes popular.
It's a great opportunity what we have received from 37 National Games Committee, GDCC, as well as the Goa government, which has taken an initiative, as well as you can see the most inspiring and you can see the pillar of India is Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister of India. So that is an extreme support to promote the Indian traditional game, not only in India but around the world. So it is a great opportunity what we received, and definitely we have given our 100% to be on that way. Our athletes also performed very well. They had trained themselves from years, but today they have received a very great platform.
Played between two teams, it requires a tennis ball and a set of 7 stones which are stacked up to form a small tower. The game involves one team breaking the tower and then rebuilding it, while the opponents are busy hitting as many possible balls while they try to arrange the stones back.
In Rajasthan, we call this game Satolia. It has been 4 years since we started playing. We won silver medal this time, but will try for gold in the future.
It is a great initiative by Indian government to include indigenous sports like Gatka, Lagori and Rugby. Because of these traditional sports, India and Indian sports is getting more famous, and it is located on world map.
The crowd enjoyed watching the Lagori matches to the fullest. It took them back to their childhood.
We used to play this game in our childhood. It has returned back. Now every child will get to know about the fun of playing this sport.
I'm extremely happy that Lagori is included and apna bachpan वापस आया.
It seems like our childhood has returned. This game must be there in school and played by every child. This game is quick, requires speed, movement. It is getting set very nicely.
Set now very nicely.
Players are getting opportunity at this platform. It is very well organized in Goa. I hope Goa will host the game in future too.
There are prizes to be won in demonstration sports as well, but the medals won't be added to the state's tally. In the girls' finale, Haryana defeated Rajasthan, while in the boys' finale, the host Goa defeated Maharashtra.
The main objective to include Lagori as a demonstration sport in the 37th National Games is to create awareness about our traditional sports. These are the sports that we grew up playing. These sports are an integral part of our childhood, so it is important to keep them alive. With camera person Sumit Dhiman, this is Suchitra reporting for DD India from Goa.